Hello guys, this is supposed to be released today, the Mavic Mini, but it seems like DJI surprised us again, so they came up with Mobile 3. Now you guys can see this one here. But I think it's not a bad idea though that DJI do release this Mavic Mini. It'd be a game changer. The reason why I'm saying that because it's tiny. But anyway, the only thing that concerned me about this is the propellers because it looked like it's screwed in. But you can see they have the obstacle avoidance, the bottom obstacle avoidance. I mean, it's almost the same thing as the previous Mavics and Spark and also the Tello. And hopefully the battery life is gonna be 30 minutes or 35 minutes on this Mini here. But anyway,
I just want to tell you, FYI, these guys are crazy about drones on.
oh, it's a tiny one.
Yeah, I would move beyond that fence.
Oh, okay.
They'll give you a huge ticket.
Really?
Yeah. Like
Oh,
a
okay.
Massive one.
Oh, okay. You see that,
You
guys?
gotta go, like, you can go on state land, but they consider this
Yeah.
government land.
Oh, okay. All right, here is good, right?
No, you gotta go.
Okay.
State property doesn't start until after that monument sign.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to get a ticket. I know people that have gotten.
Really? Wow.
They're not nice about it either.
Oh, wow. That's
Not
crazy.
nice.
Oh, okay. It's a toy. It's a toy. It's a toy. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, I did. You see that? You're not allowed to have it in the park. It's a toy. Anyway guys, I'm just sharing you my experiencing flying that's what's gonna happen when you're in public, and I think this would be a good idea and be a game changer if DJI do release the Mavic Mini. And also guys, flying the Tello in this extreme environment and the extreme wind, and it can handle, I mean, if Mavic Mini came out, would be great. Or even the Tello 2 with a 4K camera with a stabilized with the same thing as a Osmo Action will be a great too, you know. And I'm just showing you guys here what it can do, and you know, it's not new to DJI. They've been improving it to a Tello, and also they've been improving it to a DJI Spark. And then you guys can see the DJI Spark has the gimbal in flying this environment, and you can see it's still smooth butterized footage. And the same thing with the Tello. I mean, this is the weak spot of drones guys, especially flying in extreme wind, and it's gonna show perfectionist. I mean but with this small drones, you can see guys that DJI been improving. And this is the two smallest drone that DJI ever made, and they've been out in the market for a while now. So like I said, a Mavic Mini, is it going to be better than a Tello and a DJI Spark? Of course. You know, you're gonna have this because the same technology with Tello and the DJI Spark or a Mavic Air is gonna be put on the Mavic Mini. Hopefully it comes with the AccuSync, it would be better. And like I said guys, I'm just flying here and you guys can see exactly, even this right here Tello don't have no gimbal, and you can see the DJI Spark with the gimbal. I mean, you couldn't really tell the difference. The only thing the difference are the 720p of course to a 1080p. But if DJI release both of these new drones, maybe the Spark 2 or the Tello 2 4K, then what's the Mavic Mini gonna lead? So you know, for my experiencing flying these two drones, I think it's really great. So I can't wait, man. So hopefully it's gonna be in production soon. I've been also waiting for, you know, I just want something that I can just go around and not worrying about not getting myself in trouble. Like, just want to take some footage and go somewhere and, you know, take family shots, take videos, and you know, any other places you go to, you have no worries about taking your drone. and that's the reason why I'm just showing you guys this video, guys, and you can see what the DJI camera capability, what it can do, even though it was put it on the small mini micro drone. And yeah, and also here the DJI Spark, I mean, this little guy is a monster. I mean, look at it. This is an extreme win. This guy still follows me like a big drone. And that's the reason why I said, oh man, if the Mavic Mini come out, wow, that'd be amazing. But you guys can see how the DJI Spark, what it can do, you know. Even though with the low battery, it can still able to come back to me. Yes, there's a drawback on the battery on the DJI Spark, but I know, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be improved with that. Maybe the DJI Spark 2 version, and hopefully the Mavic Mini, it will be ideal if you come up with at least 35 minutes flight time. And for us out here that doing extreme sports, you don't have to care about bringing your big drones. Like me here, I don't have to worry about a $350 or $250 drone crash under the water, or submerge. I don't have to worry about it. But flying my Mavic Pro 2 or sometimes my Mavic Air is be insane, flying in this extreme condition, because if something happened, it's gone. Your $1,000 is gone. At least with the DJI Spark, even though you crash it, or the Mavic Mini, you don't really have to worry about it because it's around 350 range, or maybe to 400, so you don't have to worry about, I'm just saying, I don't have to worry about freaking out or something like this, because this is what I do, guys. I put my drones to the extreme environment, and this was a dream of mine. There's really no drones out there in the market. You talk about 10 years, 5 years ago. Most of the guys like myself, we had to go to, find someone that do aerial photography on this condition, but some of them didn't even want to do it. But now we have a solution for that. We have a DJI Spark that can take this footage, and it's a game changer. If you see my other previous video, I'll go ahead and put in this link. I have the DJI Spark flying on the hurricane condition, capturing me with the butter smooth footage. Yes, it's a 1080p, but man, especially in this extreme environment, if a drone can handle with this extreme environment, I'm pretty sure it can handle anywhere else.
Yeah.
Where I'm at here is wet, sand, blown everywhere, and salt water. Think about it, cold weather, and I have to worry about the two kites. Good thing I have obstacle avoidance, and that's always recommended to all of you guys out there. If you've never flown a drone, I always recommended the obstacle avoidance, because of this situation here, just in case something happened, you still have your investment. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys what the DJI Spark can do, and I just can't wait for the Mavic Mini, what else it can do. And it would be awesome, man. Think about it, what the Spark can do. Look, it can still capture video without look at that. Butter smooth footage in low light environment. And you guys can see here, it's not only in that environment, you also have extreme wind. And that's the reason why I want to go ahead and show you guys this video here and what the little drone can do. Because think about it, the DJI Spark, everybody thought it was just going to be a selfie drone and it's going to take a picture, a video, and put it back in your pocket. No, man, this thing can do everything. Think about it. Most big drones can't do this. Most big drones can't even take a footage of this. And that's the reason why I don't really buy knockoff drones out there in the market, because where I'm going is like, I want to get the good quality that is gonna be durable drone that can handle this kind of environment, and I want a company that knows what kind of environment can it handle. And you can see here the DJI Spark did it, man. And I'm just going ahead and sharing my thought to you guys what this the mini drone Mavic would be. Is it gonna be better than a DJI Spark? I At the moment, no, but with more firmware update, in the end, yes, it's gonna be better than a DJI Spark. Is it gonna be better than a Mavic Air? Probably. But when it first came out, it's not gonna be better. It's gonna be routinely with more firmware update, and that's the reason why DJI get so good at what their drones, with their Tello and other big drones like the Mavic Air, Mavic Pros, and also the Phantoms and Inspire. But anyway, guys, I'm just showing you guys my thought here, and I'm just showing you what this mini DJI Spark can do, and also the Tello, and it would be a game changer that if DJI do release that, that would be a really amazing and be a smart way to do it, because especially right now with the regulations, I mean, it's, you know, you fly this drone here right now, it's gonna show, you know, like fly zones everywhere. And that's the reason why I said to myself, how this gonna be coming soon. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.